welcome to our facility. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how modern data centers are built step by step.
All right, set the panels down right there.
These modules look good to go, ready for phase 2.
We'll run the orange fibers through here, away from the main breaker.
Good clearance. It should lock right into the chassis now.
Structural precision ensures both scalability and safety, allowing for rapid deployment of the data center infrastructure.
Each system is installed, calibrated, and tested to meet strict performance standards.
Phase 4, cooling, power, and security systems. Aerial installation of massive cooling units and air handling systems positioned along the data hall perimeter.
Every data center is rigorously tested before going live.
And that's how data centers are built. Audacious, from the ground up, to power the digital world.